In this wash day routine, I'm going to review Sheamoisture Jamaica Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore line. This video is unsponsored, so I'm going to give my honest review. And if you're looking for hair product recommendation, watch to the hand and don't forget to subscribe. So this is my hair. I had it on my flat twist. I'm just unveiling it, and you know the feeling that you get after unveiling your hair. You just want to scratch it. It feels so nice. So this is my hair. It's a little bit dirty, and yeah, I'm just checking on the length, and I feel like my hair is really grown. And I had this Peppa Pig shirt that my daughter made me wear, and we're going to start with this Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler. So for detangling, I always start by spraying my hair with a little bit of warm water. I have low porosity hair, so this means product will always sit on top of my hair. And why did they put a detangler in something that it's so hard to get out, you see? Okay. This is how much I have in my hand. So I'm just going to put it on my hair and see if it's going to give me the best detangling. Okay. My hair is coming out. This is just normal. But, oh God. Okay, this is hard work, honestly. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there, but that's a lot. That's a lot of product, you know. For me to start feeling the sleep, it's just a lot of stuff. So I just try to detangle my hair with my hands first. Then I'm going to use this. It's actually coming out already. So it's giving a good, oh God, no. Okay. Okay. Shampoo Extra Moisture Detangler. I want to say the way my hair is feeling. If I have to detangle my hair with this, it's going to take a lot of time. So if I have to do it, it will take a lot of time. So I think there are better detangler outside there that can give you that quick sleep, that can give you a sleep that is going to be very quickly. So with this one, I'll try it and see, but it's not really giving me the sleep I want on my 4C hair. My daughter is getting all the cuddles before I start washing my hair because she knows mommy is going to take a lot of time. So I did cover my hair for 15 minutes, and I was just amazed with how soft my hair is. So the detangler has left my hair very soft though. It's very soft, something that I didn't expect. So before I start washing my hair, I always make sure that I saturate my hair with water. This helps a lot to open hair cuticles, and my 4C hair do love hair water. So the Sheamoisture Jamaica Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore line is formulated to restore and strengthen damaged and chemically processed hair. So if you're somebody who has damaged hair, this line is actually going to be good for you. Then I go in with this shampoo. As you can see, the bottle is almost over. I love this shampoo. It's nice. And if you are somebody who is suffering from dry hair like I do, you can always add oil to your shampoo. This makes your hair, it add moisture to your hair, especially if you're going to use a shampoo that you know might be stripping out your hair. This shampoo doesn't strip out my hair of its natural oil, but I do just love to add a little bit of oil on my hair, especially when I'm shampooing my hair. So this shampoo is infused with organic shea butter, apple cider vinegar, peppermint. These products do clean the scalp while nourishing the hair strand, and it is sulfate free, and it gently cleanses the hair without stripping your hair. So this is how I actually rinse it off. So this is a clarifying shampoo. It's very good if your hair is very dirty. So how is my hair feeling after shampooing? My hair is feels very clean. So you can see my curls, you can see my lovely little curls just came out, and my hair is feeling so clean. So see how my scalp is. My scalp is honestly My scalp is very, 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 very clean. One product you need to get from this line. Then I go in with this Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. This conditioner is not actually from Sheamoisture Jamaica Black Castor Oil line, but this conditioner was just so amazing. So I just add it to my hair. Then the slip that come with this conditioner is just the best slip I've ever seen in any other conditioner, and it leaves the hair very nourished, very, very, very moisturized. You can actually see how I went with my white tooth comb, and this is my tangle tweezer. You can see how it's actually going through. So this is one conditioner you might want to try from sheamoisture hairline. So you can see I was actually wondering how this product, the slip is just on another level. I am just amazed with how you can see the slip. This product has a lot and a very, very, very good slip. Look at my hair. Look. Ooh. Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. This one, you need to get it. It's just so good. It gives you the slip that you're looking for. At this point, I'm very, very, very impressed with how these products are actually leaving my hair. My hair is very soft. My hair is feeling very, very nourished. And my hair is feeling moisturized. How is my hair so far? My hair is very, very, you can see it's very, very soft. I do love that conditioner. I do love this conditioner. It gives my hair, it leaves my hair very soft, and I believe it will leave your hair very soft. How defined my curls are at the moment. This is how it is, and I just love the way my hair is feeling. It's very, very, it's honestly very, very soft. It's very. The next product is deep conditioning. I'm going to use this Jamaica Black Castor Strengthening Oil and Restore Mask. This product is packed with Jamaica Black Castor Oil, and it's provide a deep conditioning experience. It's perfect for those days that when you feel that your hair needs a little bit of TLC. So I deep condition my hair every single wash day because my hair tend to be very, very dry, and especially right now that it's winter and it's very dry outside. And also, if you want soft hair, you need to try this deep conditioning. This is one product that is going to leave your hair very, very soft. And for the best results, you want to sit under heat cap, or you want to cover your hair with shower cap for 15 to 20 minutes. That will give this product to work very well. And I do tend to deep condition my hair each and every wash day because my hair tend to be very dry, and I don't know what went in my hair right there, and I thought product went in my hair, but it wasn't a product. So I deep condition my hair each and every wash day because my hair tends to be very, very dry, and this is the only way that I find that I get moisture back to my hair. So I wash my hair twice a month, or sometimes I do wash my hair weekly. It depends with if I have time, and also depends with the protective style that I have. And sometimes I do also wash my hair under protective styles, but I always make sure that when I wash my hair, when it's free, I do deep condition my hair. And also deep conditioning your hair will help your hair. If you have damaged hair, it will restore the moisture in your hair. And this is how my hair is. And you also don't want to ignore the back of your hair. I do put this product all over, then I put my hair under heat cap for 20 minutes. So I'm using this heat cap that I got from Amazon. So I'm going to put my hair in this heat cap. So I'm leave it for 15 minutes. It has a low setting, high, low, and I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes on my hair, and I'll leave it on the description box below. If you want this conditioner heat cap, you can get it in Amazon. This was after 15 minutes, and when I tell you my hair was soft, it was very, very soft. So it does make a difference when you put your hair in heat cap for 20 to 30 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. Then I just went on and rinsed the deep conditioner off. this is my hair after washing. It feels so soft and just soft, not stripped. So this is how it is. I'm going to use this Jamaica Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. You can always put your hair in sections as you like. You can see the product just sitting on top of my hair. So I have low porosity hair. So to avoid product just sitting on top of my hair, I do sit under heat cap for 10 to 20 minutes. This helps a lot with the product to sink on my hair strand. And it also helps to open the hair strands. The product is just sitting in my hair. So it's not doing anything, honestly. It's not sinking in my hair. But I'm going to put my hair in a heat cap for another few minutes for it to sink in, for the product to go in my hair strand. I'm just using this pure almond oil to seal in the moisture in my hair. You don't need much, just a little go a long way. At this point, my hair is very soft and easy to manage. This is how much hair I've lost. If you have low porosity hair and if the product is always sitting on your hair like this, you can put heat cap on your head for some few minutes. So I'm going to put this heat cap for the next 15 minutes and I'm going to style my hair. After some few minutes with heat cap, and you can see the product has actually sunk in my hair strand. Therefore, I'm going to use this Jamaica Black Castor Strengthening and Restore Styling Lotion. This apparently is a very good one. I'm just going to put it on my hair so that you can see how it is. It's for styling, so I expect it to leave my hair a little bit soft. It's nice, but I need to leave my hair. I'm going to style it with I'm going to just put my hair in a twist, in flat twist. This is my first time doing flat twist, so it's not going to come out as good as expected. So this is not the first time I'm using this styling lotion. This styling lotion is very good, especially if you're styling your hair when your hair is a little bit dry. And this is how my hair turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. This is my first ever flat twist, so I'm not sure if it came out good or bad, but this is how my hair came out after wash day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.